It is currently 5:13 on a Friday. Just got home from work and my apartment is destroyed. So, yes, my place is an absolute mess right now, and it's actually at a much better place than what it was. If you saw the last video, I pretty much made that because I was on the road for work and I was having a mental breakdown because I didn't create anything for such a long time and I was really feeling super complacent. My place was a mess, and now a couple days later I have my place completely not clean, but like to the point of where things are at least good enough for me to continue living my life, because I move at the end of April. And since I move in April, I'm trying to condense everything down to just like the stuff that I need. And I've finally condensed my content creating kit to two things. Number one, the ZV-E1 with the 16 to 35 f2.8. This is a GOAT setup. It's expensive, but the image quality from this, like I keep looking at myself because I look so good. And then I also picked up the DJI Pocket 3, and I haven't had much time to play with this camera. So as I walk to the gym, let's get some creamy B-roll. I like to start my mornings off with some greens. I have hella stomach issues, and I have found out that taking some sort of greens helps. I specifically like the ones from AG1. If you listen to any sort of podcast, then you know what this is. But these greens are packed with tons of vitamins, and every single time I take it, it makes me feel like a super soldier. I just feel great, and I feel ready to go. And they are a little bit expensive. It's like $100 for that whole bag. But if you have serious like digestive issues, or like you just want to start getting more vitamins in, highly recommend AG1. The older I get, the more I realize that not everything is perfect and nothing lasts forever. I think as I get older, I'm 27. This year I turned 28. The more I go through life, the more I realize that nothing lasts forever. And I think there's like a stigma to like when we're younger of like your mom and dad are always there, like your grandma and grandpa and your friends, and then you go through high school, and then all your friends go to college, and then there's like a life change where like you're in college, you meet new friends, and like you're with people 24/7. And then when you get out of college, it's kind of all up to you. And that's what I've been doing for the past 5 years. I lived at home after college for so long. And then I moved out into this apartment, and I've been living here for the past 2 years. And when you're living by yourself, you definitely start to find some complacency, and you start to like, there's no one like holding you accountable besides you. So if you leave stuff on the counter, it's up to you. If your floors get super dirty, it's up to you. If you haven't dusted anything in months and years, if you don't wash your bed sheets, it's all up to you. Complacency when living alone is so easy. And I think change is the most valuable thing that we have as people. Like, I would hate if I lived in this apartment for the rest of my life. I would hate if I was single for the rest of my life. There is beauty in change, and there's beauty in figuring out the next step in life. Even if it's simple or even if it's hard, there's beauty in it. And I just feel like there's so many people out there who just love doing the same thing every single day. And for me, I started to feel this, and I'm so excited that I'm moving in with my girlfriend, and I'm so excited to start the next chapter of that life. And I'm so excited to feel the urge to do new things and to be me, but change and learn things and adapt as a human, because I'm not the same person I was 5 years ago when I graduated college. Just a little rant of just like, things don't last forever and change is hard, but it's beautiful at the same time. I don't know, man. There's just, life's crazy. Like, life's crazy. And I feel like a lot of YouTubers are just like, look at me, I'm starting companies, I'm doing all this stuff, and they're flashy, and that's what get views. But I'm me, man. Just living through life, trying to be as creative as possible, and maybe, hopefully, figure out a way to monetize creating videos and really change my life again through creating. I was able to get a bunch of things moved out of my apartment. Huge shout out to my mom and dad for coming and helping me. It makes me feel so much more at ease, because even though I move at the end of next month, I have tons of things that I have to do. I'm traveling to Arizona for a wedding. I have tons of work things going on, not to mention just like everyday life. So just getting as far ahead as I can just makes me feel so good. But the rest of the night, I am actually celebrating my 1-year anniversary with my girlfriend. Our 1 year is actually on April 1st. I haven't yet told her that this past year has been one big April Fool's joke, but I'm gonna be doing that. So let's get ready for date night. Quick little fit check. I have some Chelsea boots on, some black jeans, cream sweater, and I'll probably pair this outfit with either a vest, which is like my go-to. Been loving vests lately. This is kind of hard. It's probably over the mic, so it's gonna be making some noise, but this goes hard. Or I will pair it with this bomber jacket. So not for sure what, but I was gonna end the video here, but I have one last thing for this video. So as I was editing this video, I got a notification on my phone that my package from Minted New York has arrived. And if you don't know what Minted New York is, it's a brand ran by Marcus and Sean Maloney. If you're into running, then you probably know about these guys, but they have some crazy clothing, and I love finding unique clothes to wear. So I picked up something from their latest drop that came out on like Monday or Tuesday, and it's already here, so shout out to them. So we're gonna unbox this real quick. Dude, the packaging on this is crazy. Look at this. Minted New York. Let's go. So let's get into the shirt. I love how simple this shirt is. I might have to take off this, what I'm wearing, to try this on. Oh, dude. 12 out of 10, a little Minted New York on the side, and then the athletic department on the back with the Minted New York here. This is 12 out of 10. All right. I know I just got dressed for my date night, but I have to try this on. The fit is insane. I've been loving all the companies doing like the oversized shirts, and it feels so high quality. I love the brown. I don't have a lot of brown shirts, so this is a great buy.
So much has happened in this video, but I'm so hyped about this. I'm so hyped about change. I'm so hyped about moving in with my girlfriend. I'm so hyped about this date night. So I'm gonna end the video here, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.